If a NMOS FET is biased with VGS slightly less than our VT and VDS greater than our VGS minus VT, the device is in what? Well, we have all these options here, and we also have these regions of operations that can be found in the notes linked below the like button on page 73. So on page 73, we have all these different things. So let's look at this. The first thing that we have is that our VGS is slightly less than our VT. So if we look at all of this, it could be cutoff. It could be, and because of the wording right here, could be our subthreshold. If we look at our triode saturation, we are going to see that we have the same results for each of them. So VGS is greater than or equal to VT, VGS greater than or equal to VT as well. And I believe I might have just written this out twice, but I'll have to go look at that, and this might be updated a little bit, but what we're looking at, the answer to this problem, it will be correct. So it's going to be either the cutoff or the subthreshold. Now looking at this again, if we're cutoff, right, we don't have this part right here. So we don't have this in the cutoff, because the cutoff is when the FET is turned off and no channel exists. So zero current flows between the drain and the source. Now with subthreshold, the FET is in subthreshold and small currents do flow. So we'll say that the currents flow, and this is for sub. And so that means the answer to this problem is going to be E, subthreshold.